Enjoy the view of this 2022 Nissan Frontier. Here's a hard-working Nissan Frontier, the midsize pickup that's durable, comfortable, and up to the task. Whether you're on the job site or hitting the trail, this rugged partner has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, remote engine start, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, heated front seat, trailer hitch, blind spot monitor, intermittent wipers. Add a little creature comfort to your workday when you're at the wheel of this Frontier. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.